Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine. So today I'm going to be making a hair mask since a lot of people do different kinds of hair treatments, hair straightening, smoothening. So it spoils the hair, it damages the hair after a course of time. So today I'm going to be making a hair repair mask which is suitable for treatment hair as well as people who have not done any treatment but they just want a nice shine, a frizz free, a dull free hair which will look smooth and give a natural shine. So we'll quickly start with the making of this product. The basic hair mask formulation will be shared in the description box. For these advanced ones, you all can WhatsApp me for the workshops. So here I have my water phase in which I have taken a little bit of hyaluronic acid since it is a very good humectant for the hair to help it, to keep it well hydrated and moisturized and to give it a nice shine, along with some glycerin and my distilled water. Here in my oil phase, I have my hair conditioning ingredients. I have some PTMS 50, I have cetrimonium chloride, I have hair conditioning ingredients, emollients. I have taken some glycerol stearate as my emulsifier. So a lot of hair loving ingredients are there in this oil phase, along with a little bit of argan oil, which is again very good to strengthen your hair and reduce hair fall. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and we'll make our hair mask. So I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now we'll quickly go ahead and add our water phase into our oil phase and we'll give this a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this well, and this is how the mixture looks like. Now we're just going to wait for this to cool down a bit, after which we will add all our cool down phase ingredients. So here the solution has cooled down completely, and this is how we have a lovely mask consistency. And now we'll quickly go ahead and add all our cool down phase ingredients. Since this is a herbal hair mask, I have taken my blend of herbal extracts. In this I have my neem, ashwagandha, tulsi. These three extracts are what I have gone ahead and taken. You can also change the extracts, use any other herbal extracts like amla, shikakai, rita. Whatever you have available, you can use those extracts. Next I'll go ahead and add my preservative, and then I'm going ahead and adding a little bit of my fragrance, and we'll mix everything together to combine it well. Okay, so this is the final look of our product. Very smooth, moisturizing and hydrating for the hair. So this is with our herbal hair mask what we have made here. You can add any color of your choice to enhance the look of the product. And if you all like what I share with you all, if you all want me to share more such videos with you all, please do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much everyone.